Gyeon Q2 Tire or Gyeon Q2M Tire Express? Which do we prefer and which should you buy with your hard-earned money? Hi everybody, it's Aidan from Just Car Care, and today we're going through the difference between Gyeon Q2 Tire and Gyeon Q2M Tire Express. Which is the better product, what are the differences, and what finish are you going to get from each of the tyre dressings. So first up, we've got Gyeon Q2M Tire Express. Now Tire Express is an every wash tyre dressing that you apply every time you wash the vehicle, and it's a water-based dressing, meaning that you can actually apply it straight directly onto a damp tyre. Gyeon Q2M Tire Express actually comes in two different sizes, both 400ml and a litre bottle, meaning that if you do like the product, you can actually stock up on a larger bottle, saving yourself a little bit of money in the long run. Now, the application with Tire Express is very straightforward. With this product, you simply get an applicator, pop a couple of squirts onto it, and run around the full tyre. It'll give a nice even finish, and if you leave it to dry, you're going to get a satin OEM finish to your tyres. Gyeon Tire Express is a water-based dressing, so meaning durability isn't as strong as some of the other tyre shines out there that are gel-based. But with Tire Express, it's going to give you a fantastic OEM finish that you can top up every single wash, and it still looks great every time. Next up is Gyeon Q2 Tire. Now, unlike Tire Express, this has an SiO2-based formula, meaning that you're going to get fantastic durability from it. With this product, you're going to expect around about 4 washes, meaning that your tyres look great for a longer period of time. Now, Q2 Tire is SiO2 based, meaning that it's got ceramic properties to help repel water and dirt from the surface of your tyres. When applying Q2 Tire, what we recommend doing is drying the tyres off entirely and actually using a heat source, a hairdryer or a heat gun, just to heat and warm the tyre through. That's going to add additional bonding properties to this chemical, meaning that the tyre dressing will last you even longer, it'll give a better finish, and it'll look shiny throughout. Two products that do exactly the same thing, but in very different ways. Q2M Tire Express gives you a satin OEM finish that you can use on slightly damp tyres, where Q2 Tire gives you a glossy finish that you can only use on dry tyres. Between both products, the durability aspect of it, Tire outwins every single time. But for a nice natural finish, I much prefer Tire Express. That's the product for me. Now, both these products are available in-store and online at justcarcare.co.uk. I'll leave links down in the descriptions. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see any more content, leave it in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button and we'll see you on the next video.